Hi, this is Kevin Sub from Concentrus. I want to show you the quick tip to how to disable the per line taxes on transactions setup taxes for US subsidiary. So for example, I'm in my demo environment. I want to go to the sales order. Real quick, let me pull up the sales order that we can review together. So I'm going to pull the latest transaction of the sales order and where it will show you the per line taxes on per line item on the transaction. So it's currently showing the taxes per line item of the tax code and tax rate. What I'm going to show is disable that per line taxes. In order to do that, first we need to turn off the multiple shipping route feature. This is available at the setup of the enable feature. Before we do that, make sure to fulfill all outstanding orders with multiple shipping routes because the transactions will revert to displaying only one shipping address and shipping method. To disable at a high level, go to the enable features. And then you'll go to the transactions subtab, and then you'll look for multiple shipping routes, which is right here. We're going to go ahead and disable that. Again, it's going to say there's unbilled orders using this feature. That's why it wouldn't be turned off. So make sure again to fulfill all outstanding orders with multiple shipping routes because the transaction will revert to displaying only one shipping address and shipping method. Once you turn this off, let me see if I can get that turned off. Once you turn this off, it's going to allow you to go to the setup and accounting and set up taxes. So while you go there, and if you go to the US, right now you see that as disabled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable that. I'm going to jump into another demo account. Just give me 1 second. So I'm at another demo account here. And if I go to the transactions, again, go to the multiple going to turn this off and then save. Once I save, can go back to the US as this is currently disabled. If I refresh, and I'll be able to uncheck and save. And this will allow us to disable the per line taxes on transaction. If you have any questions, please let me know.